Hello, and thank you so much for opening my video. Today I am going to talk about a solution for garage door openers with my Tesla Model Y. I am inside my car. This is a Tesla Model Y. Year is 2023. And what I have done recently was order this USB cable organizer that I think cost about $30. I forgot that was on Amazon, and this is nice. Actually, this demo is not about this, but what I found recently was that this thing here comes with this panel that looks like this. See, right there. And as you can see here, I have a two-sided sticker, actually sticker on one end and then Velcro on the other end, and I'm going to tell you about it shortly. So anyway, that is how this USB connector is installed. It's pretty neat and it's very flush, and all I have to do is open or close the cover, and it looks very nice. So I get high-speed connection here to charge my phone, but this one is not high speed. This one's not high speed. I don't know about the Apple because I haven't tried it yet. But going back to what I was saying, in addition to this, I also was able to come up with a like a DIY, because here in California we have Northern California we have Fasttrack. What it is a I think in Southern California too. What it is it is a transponder that allows you to, it's a plastic transponder that allows you to drive on express lanes or cross the bridges here in Northern California, and you just pay with your credit card at the end of the month for your bridge tolls. But the thing is, that one also comes with these Velcros right there. The Velcros that you can stick on one side, and then the other one is Velcro. So what I did was I used those Velcro connectors to attach my garage door opener right here. So all I have to do is put it down here. So you can put it down here and it's not going anywhere. Or you can put it like this. So with this solution, I don't have to fumble over to find where my garage door opener every time I get out or in my garage. All I have to do is, let's do this. Okay, hold on. Okay, all I have to do is, let's say I'm driving in, all I have to do is open this and then push the button here. In this case here, I only have one button active. These two I think I can use for other things, for lights, I'm not sure, or other doors. But anyways, I hope this video is informative for you. Oh, I forgot to mention also that other than this solution, you're gonna have to pay. It's either the home link option, which is about $300 for Tesla, or the MyQ, which I can show you here. That's the MyQ link MyQ account, which allows you to use the Tesla's software to link to your MyQ account on your smartphone to open your garage door. So that also costs, like, I don't know, free for the first month, but about $40 a month, I'm not sure, or some monthly amount, which I'm not really comfortable in paying for. Anyways, again, this video is about garage door opener attachment here that allows you to easily open and close your garage door inside your Tesla manually, not automatically, but it still works. And I hope this is able to help you. Have a great day. Thank you so much for watching my video. Bye.